A liar ought to have a good memory, otherwise, his mistakes would be opened in front of everybody. Hello, everybody, this is Naval Singh in front of you with another story. Story name is Lazy Boy. A boy named Mansukh Lal was a very lazy and he always make excuses to do the things. His parents were very fed up with his excuses. He always make excuses to go to school, to do his homework, to do his daily activities. Even he did not go to market and make excuses not to go to market. His friends were also fed up with his excuses. One day, he made a big excuse that he put some red color on his right leg and wrap it with the white paper, and he was limping and going to his to meet his friends. And one if his friends asked him about his limping, he told him that he fall fell down on the ground, and due to this he got uh, he had pain on his right leg. His friends were suspicious to know about the things, but this time they were bit confident that Mansukh Lal is not making them fool. So some friends uh, decided to make a birthday party for one friend. The host invited the Mansukh Lal for the party too. He went there with the limping foot, and when he was having party, the host gave him a painkiller for his leg, so that he could take benefit from it. Mansukh Lal thought that there is no harm to have that medicine, so he had it, and after a few minutes, he lost his consciousness and fell on the bed. The host told to his friends that Mansukh Lal is making us fool. Why we cannot check his leg and check how pain he is facing? So the host uh, tied tied out that cloth from his leg, and they laughed everybody after seeing the earthen lamp and the red color from his leg. They decided that why not to teach him a lesson so that he could not do these things in his future. So what they did, they did the same thing on his right leg, and when it was already done, tied everything on his right leg, they waken up to the Mansukh Lal and asked to have some snacks and tea. Mansukh Lal got up and went to washroom by for freshen up, and he was limping by the right leg. So other friends asked him, Mansukh Lal, uh, are you having pain on the right leg, not the left leg? Because earlier the wound also moved from one leg to the another, and he said that my right leg was wound, not the left one. And they emphasize to the Mansukh Lal, and they untie that cloth from the right leg, and now they were ready to beat Mansukh Lal, but they left him, and Mansukh Lal realized since then that he should not make excuses to make other people fool, because by making other people fool, he is not getting the sympathy, but also he is also making his body restlessful. Thank you so much.